Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders just released their mega Christmas kit called Merry Moments. It's Christmas in July and Spellbinders just released lots of fun Christmas products, including their Merry Moments card making kit. This is a giant kit packed full of fun holiday products. In today's video, I'll do the unboxing, and very soon I will be sharing a card video. And I'm making a bunch of fun Christmas cards using products in this kit. And if you are interested in purchasing the Merry Moments Christmas kit, I will have links in the description box below. And be sure to check out Spellbinders' other July releases. Lots of great stamps, dies, and other products perfect for your Christmas cards and projects. So after I pull out the large stack of goodies inside the box, we have the information sheet, and on it there are some sample card ideas. So if you're not sure how to get started, especially with so many fun products, there are 4 sample cards on this sheet. This sheet also lists the contents inside the box, but I will go through everything so you can get a closer look at what's included in the box. I think this is either my 3rd or 4th Spellbinders Christmas kit, and they never disappoint. Lots of great products. There are also a few products included in the kit that you can purchase individually. So if you're interested in more pattern paper, that is an option. Or if you're just not interested in the full kit, you can buy a few of the individual products. But there are only a few available individually. It's not everything. And I'll also have a link for the individual products available in the description box below. I'll start with the 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. There are 4 foil pieces, 2 in gold, 2 in silver. It's always nice to have some gold and silver shiny paper when you're making Christmas cards. There are also 14 sheets of solid cardstock. So we have black, 2 different browns, 2 shades of green, 2 shades of blue, 2 shades of red, 3 shades of pink, and 2 sheets of white cardstock. The kit also includes card bases with coordinating envelopes. There are 13 A2 size cards and 13 A2 size envelopes. And I know you can't see it in the video, but the cardstock used for the card bases has a fun linen texture finish on one side. I love the linen texture cardstock, and I like to use it for the background of my cards or behind some of the ephemera images or sentiments. If you like making larger size cards, the kit also includes 12 5x7 card bases and 12 envelopes. And the cardstock for the larger card bases also has that linen texture finish. Next is the paper pad called Merry Moments. This is a 6x6 paper pad, single-sided, and it includes 40 sheets. You'll get 2 of each design, so a total of 20 different designs. And several of the sheets have a gold foil finish on it, so they're super shiny. Lots of traditional Christmas colors, reds and greens, plus the addition of pink, which I always enjoy. There's a nice variety of designs, several tone-on-tone patterns, and those work great with the busier patterns. There's a fun star design. This looks like little twinkle stars in gold, but it's just a yellow color. Here's one of the sheets with the gold foil design, so it's super shiny. Some cute bows. Here's another one with that gold foil design. There's candy canes, and it also includes a cut-apart sheet with tags, some sentiments, and there is some gold foil detail on that cut-apart sheet. The 6x6 paper pad is one of the items you can purchase individually. The next item is a pack of sticker sheets. There are 6 sheets included, and they're different styles. So the first 2 are washi tape stickers. So they're very thin, and they're slightly transparent. Lots of great sentiment and images. I'm very carefully trying to pull one up without tearing it. The next 2 sheets are clear stickers. So they have the printed design or sentiment and a clear backing. I'll lift one of them so you can see the style. And there aren't any duplicates in the stickers, so even between the 3 different styles, they're all different. The last 2 sheets are cardstock stickers, so they're thicker than the other 2 sticker designs. There are 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments, and they are stickers, so there is adhesive on the back. Lots of images, sentiments, plus some fun frames. And on some of the pieces, there is that gold foil detail. Next up are 2 sheets of foam stickers, some nice large sentiments along with little embellishments and ornament images. So we have merry and bright, joy, believe in magic, ho ho ho. And this is foam, so it does have a little bit of dimension. On the other side, together, love, Christmas time, joyful day, and cheer. Next is a sheet of wax seal embellishments. I'm not sure if they're actually wax. They feel like a foam, but they really do look like wax seals. I love the fun colors and different designs. And since they are just stickers, you won't make a mess with wax or deal with fire and candles. There is a stamp set included, several different sentiments, the large 25, and 2 little star images. One is a single star and the other is a cluster of smaller stars. And we have the sentiment, oh what fun, happy holidays, season's greetings, Christmas, and then some individual words that you can mix and match together. The kit also includes 2 die cut packs. One is sentiments, the other is images. And once I'm done showing all the products that are in the kit, I'll lay out the die cut so you can see what's included. And both die cut packs are available for individual purchase. The kit includes a bag of sequins, this lovely peach pink color. And there's also adhesive. So you get 1 roll of, it's about a 1/4 inch clear double-sided adhesive tape and 2 sheets of foam squares. So that's everything that's included in Spellbinders Merry Moment 2025 Mega Christmas Kit. And here's a look at the 2 die cut packs. First is the icon image pack, and there are 2 of each. I simply stack them together. And here's a look at the die cut sentiment pack. Both die cut packs include that gold foil detail, so they're super shiny. Now here's another look at all the fun products that are included in Spellbinders Merry Moments Christmas Kit. This kit is packed full. You'll be able to make a ton of Christmas cards. If you are interested in purchasing the kit, I do have links in the description box below. And coming very soon, I have a card video featuring lots of cards using this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.